Hello and welcome to Moementum channel. In this video, we will be reviewing the CrowdStrike stock and try to look into its fundamental and technical analysis from different angles.
In this video, we will first provide an introduction to CrowdStrike and look at the stock and company's performance. Then we will compare the company against its competitors and have a look at the estimates in terms of the earning per share and revenue. Finally, we will be looking at the stock price targets and have an overall look at the sector future as a whole. Founded in 2011 and headquartered in California, CrowdStrike provides cloud-delivered solutions for the next-generation endpoint protection in US, Australia, Germany, India, Romania, and UK. The company offers 11 cloud modules on its Falcon platform through a software as a service subscription-based model that covers various security markets such as endpoint security, IT operations, and threat intelligence to deliver comprehensive breach protection against today's most sophisticated attacks. The company primarily sells its platforms and cloud modules through its direct sales team. Shares of CrowdStrike have been a hot commodity this year. After a much needed cool off after the second quarter earnings report, the stock got back on its upward trajectory and is up almost 190% for the year. This is more than 6 times the performance of NASDAQ, which has only been up 30% for the year till date. As a result of the pandemic and the flexible working arrangements, the new security perimeter in need of protection is no longer a company's office buildings housing its employees. Rather, it is the hundreds of millions of endpoints being used, which could often be from a personal internet connection at home to access critical data and business operations. And this is where CrowdStrike delivers value to its customers. CrowdStrike is growing at a rapid pace and has delivered accelerating positive earnings surprises in its past several quarters, leading to growth in its share price. The company raised its guidance for the fourth quarter, which will show a more than 50% year-over-year growth. This also means, despite investing aggressively, the company is already looking at some profitability on its bottom line ahead of schedule. CrowdStrike is not the only cybersecurity company, but it's certainly a leader. Peers such as Carbon Black, which was recently acquired by VMware, and Kaspersky, which is a private company, are doing well, but are not in the same league as CrowdStrike. Meanwhile, Microsoft has a very strong offering and is also a tough competitor for CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike's revenue guidance remains very strong after the company raised its guidance by approximately 7 points for the financial year from 765 million guided the previous quarter to $818 million. CrowdStrike's growth rates are decelerating at a much slower rate than analysts expected. Despite its tremendous upward move, the stock still remains to be undervalued. The company made 119 million in cash flow during the first half of the year and is expected to continue generating some cash flow in the second half of the financial year. CrowdStrike is guiding for full year revenues to reach approximately $815 million. This puts the stock trading at a forward multiple of 38 times. On surface, there is no doubt that this seems to be expensive. However, considering that CrowdStrike is a leader in the sector that is rapidly expanding, one could argue that its stock price is still justified. This time next year, although CrowdStrike will see its growth rates to slow down, investors will be rewarded by the fact that it will be reporting increasing profits. Moreover, the company appears to have a very bright future, with the total addressable market growing by 18% from 2020 to 2022 to reach a total of $31.9 billion. As such, there is no surprise to see institutional funds are continuing to purchase stocks of CrowdStrike hand over fist. Looking at the 12-month price target for CrowdStrike, it has a low price target of 122, a high of 172, and a mean of 152. According to rating by 21 analysts, the company currently has a buy rating. However, its current price is only 5% from the target. In other words, if you're interested in investing in CrowdStrike, it might be worthwhile to wait for the next market sell-off to then pull the trigger and start investing or adding to your shares in CrowdStrike. Personally, I own 8 shares of CrowdStrike at the moment, and my average purchase price for these shares have been 53.35. This means my total return so far have been 172.41%. Not bad, huh? I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or colleague who might also benefit from watching this. Please make sure to subscribe to Momentum channel. Here in Momentum, we post weekly videos on stock market investing, personal empowerment, and saving tips. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Till next time.